Hello, Owls! This is an overview for OWHS Homecoming Week 2018. Don't forget, when posting on social media, use the hashtag #GoldenOwls to tag your photos. On Monday, the Spirit Day is Dust Bowl versus Gatsby, formerly known as Country versus Country Club. Come dressed out in your Western or flapper gear. And don't forget, there's an opening pep assembly after first hour. On Tuesday, the Spirit Day is Owls Through the Ages. Freshmen dress like toddlers, sophomores like kindergartners, juniors like moms and dads, and seniors like grandmas and grandpas. There's a movie night in the Flex Theater from 4 to 6:30 p.m. Admission is free, concessions are $1, and the movie playing will be The Greatest Showman. On Wednesday is Tourist Day. Come dressed like a tacky tourist. From 6:30 to 7:30 is the Buff Puff volleyball game. Junior boys versus senior boys. Admission is $2. See you in the main gym. On Thursday is College Day. Come dressed out in your favorite college gear. From 5 to 6 is the Powder Puff football game. This is free to attend. Come over to the main football field. From 6 to 7 is the varsity volleyball game. And then after the volleyball game is the Homecoming Carnival. This is a free event with bonfire, games, food trucks, and more. Food trucks will cost money, but all other events are free for students. Community members will be required to pay for admission. On Friday is a silver or gray out. Dress in gray or silver owl gear. The boys' varsity soccer game is at 5 p.m., and the varsity homecoming game is at 7:30. This football game will be at Seaback. Homecoming royalty will be announced at the halftime show of this game. Saturday is the night of the dance. Our theme is the Golden Age. Make sure to dress your best and be prepared to have a good time. Go gold or go home. The dance is from 8 to 11 p.m. All students must bring their student ID to the dance in order to be admitted. In addition, tickets will go on sale starting tomorrow, Friday, September 14th, during Power 50 in the main commons. Tickets are $20 in advance and $25 at the door at the night of the dance. Again, make sure you must bring your student ID to the dance in order to be admitted. Let's have a great homecoming week, Owls. Thanks for watching.